JDCamp26 here, just do tips and fairs and hobbies. And we got this package in the mail addressed to me. And I already opened the top end of it, but let's pull the stuff out in here. And, oh wow. Block sharpeners, cool. Not only one, but two. And stickers. Look at that. Stay sharp. That's the motto of block sharpeners. And let me tell you, they do make your knives stay sharp. Good maintenance tool. And it's got even a sticker, another sticker in there. Another sticker in there. So you got a blue and a white one. That's cool. Let's open up the blue one. I'm gonna open this one up first. And this handy dandy tool. Get it out of there. Save your packaging all the time, you know. It's great to have the packaging. And this is the thumb part, which I showed in previous videos. And you hold it down on the edge of the table against these two tabs. You hold it like that. You got a knife here, a SOG. What you want to do is press it down, and you want to put your knife in there. Okay, and you want to bend those two prongs right there. You want to put pressure on them, and then go like this and roll out when you do the sharpening. So press in, roll out. Okay, so this way, I'm going to show it to you this way. You press in, make those two prongs press in, and go up like that. Okay, so you do about 15 of those. Okay, so you could put this in your toolbox, your fishing kit, your fishing and tackle. Keep it in your pocket. You could put a string around it, keep it around your neck if you want. And it's very handy. You throw it in your kitchen drawer too. So this is one of these is going to go in my kitchen drawer. And this was sent to me actually by Paul Block himself. He's a good guy. He works very hard in promoting his product. And it's a good product to have for sharpening your knives. Thanks for watching. You have a great day. And we'll see you next time in the next video.